All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to week 21. This week, I'm going to have you guys focusing on the assembly. Now, I made an update in your Schoology course on Sunday stating if you didn't get your threads done, that's fine. But you should still have the pieces made and done. Now, you would have to have looked at that chart in order to have gotten the size for the holes. So you'll need that information again this week when working on the assembly because right now I just have one assignment because I want to give you time to focus because I know a lot of people didn't get them all done last week. I might be adding in another assignment later on this week, but that is to be determined. And if I do, I'll add an updated video. But clicking on the directions, you're going to get this document and you're going to be creating that's not the right one. You're going to be clicking on that link and you'll be getting this worksheet. It says, it's time to create the assembly. It is okay if you do not have your threads on your parts. We'll be assembling it without threads. But we still need two parts in order to make the assembly happen. Part 1 is, part 7, it is a socket head cap screw, and part 8 is also a socket head cap screw. They're basically the same except for their length. And I give you all the information if you were to go to a chart and try to find what 10-24 UNC socket head cap screw looked like. I give you that information down here. So you can see that it gives you, it's basically two pieces. You've got the head and then you've got the actual screw portion of it. So K and H are pretty easy because they give them to you. And you're going to use the max for both. And then they tell you the length up here. You can see the first one's 3/8 long and the second one is a 1/2 inch long. The only thing you're missing is this diameter across. And that's given to you by looking at which part it's getting assembled to. So part 7 gets assembled to this, which is part 5, the bearing, and then, sorry, not the bearing. Part 4, the pillow block, and then part 3, the top plate. So if we go look at the pillow block, you can see that they give you a hole of 0.22. So that's the diameter for the D that's missing. So you can go ahead, put that all together, and that'll give you your screw. And you're going to do that twice, one for part 7 and one for part 8. Once you have that all completed, you'll be assembling that together and using your mates. So if a piece should slide, make sure it does. If a piece moves up and down, make sure it does. Submit a screenshot of the assembly showing the mates and share it with me on Onshape so that I can go in and look and make sure that it works the way it should. Otherwise, that's what you're working on this week. If you need any help, please let me know in class or on Zoom. I will see you guys later.